Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to contract Uber customer service? Here's a quick guide to get the help you need. Start by opening the Uber app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in into your account. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner, then select Help. This section has options for common issues like trip problems, account settings, and more. Select the issue you are experiencing, like a payment problem or trip issue. Follow the prompts to get a resolution or contract support directly. For urgent issues, some regions offer an option to call or message over support directly. You will find this under Help, Call Support, or Chat with Support if applicable. And that's it. Uber's customer service team is there to assist. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.